Have you tried to unfavorite a game and it will unfavorite? And when you refresh the page, you still have it as a favorite game? Well, there's a simple solution that I found. Kudos to this devforum. There has been a lot of people with the same problem, so I'll be showing others how to do it because I haven't seen any videos talking about this yet. Alright, so first have the game you want to unfavorite, and then make a new tab. Copy and paste the link that I have in the description into the search bar. Then press play, and then go to your edit tab. Then go to the search bar where it says like these numbers. This is the place ID, and you have to copy it. Then go to the game, and then you see enter root place ID here. Paste the ID there, press enter, and then you see this prompt here, and you click yes. And if that doesn't work, see it worked for me. And if that doesn't work for you, like for the first time, it happened to me once too. Press prompt next, and then press yes. And then refresh the page. It will show that you don't have the game as a favorite anymore.